Hey there everyone, welcome back to Essay Solvers. We are now into another basic operation in mathematics, which is multiplication. This also helps in a large number of items, quantities, etc. For example, look at this picture. Count how many circles are there within 15 seconds. Well, the answer is 100. We got the answer very fast because of multiplying. The top side has 10 circles and the left or right side has 10 also. So 10 into 10 is equal to 100, and that is multiplication. Multiplication is the method of calculating the product between two or more numbers. Like for example, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. In the sense means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. 3 is repeated 4 times. The product remains the same even though the factors are changed. Example, 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 3 into 6 is equal to 18 also. For easier multiplication, you should mainly study a table like the table shown in the screen. Tables 1 to 10. Now remember, 1 to 10 is very important, so go ahead and take a screenshot so that you can start learning. Example of multiplication. There are 10 guitars and each guitar has 6 strings. How many strings do you have in total? So 6 into 10 is equal to 60. You have 60 strings in total. Now suppose there are some problems with 10, 100, 1000, etc. 80 into 100 is equal to 800. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. 6 into 1000 is equal to 6000. What do you observe here? That's right, in the first problem 100 adds 2 zeros, so keep 8 and 2 zeros, which becomes 800. In the second one, 10 has only 1 zero, so keep 4 and put 1 zero, which becomes 40. Finally, in the third problem, 1000 has 3 zeros, so keep 6 and 3 zeros, it becomes 6000. Word problem example. Okay, your father gives you $10 and he also gave to your sister, but 3 times more than you. How much did your sister get? Let's find out. You have $10 and your sister has 3 times more than you. So that means that your sister has the same amount of money that you have, but 3 times more, so that means 10 into 3 is equal to. Since there is only 0, keep 3 and put the 0 and the answer becomes 30. So your sister got $30 from your father. The next day, your father gives your sister $12 and your father gave you 4 times more than her. How much do you have? 12 into 4 is equal to. Keep the position as shown in the screen. Remember this always. Start from the right side. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So keep 8 in the answer and 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So the answer is 48. You have $48. Enjoy spending. Now you must be wondering, what are the parts of multiplication? Here it is. 12 into 5 is equal to 60. 12 and 5 are known as factors, while the answer, which is 60, is known as the product. Now let us solve multiplication from 1 digit to 3 digits. 1 digit, 5 into 3, easy, 15. 8 into 8, 64. 4 into 6, 24. 2 digits, 24 into 26. Okay, to do this, we should solve by the position shown in the screen. We should always focus in the below one, which is 26. The right side of 26 is 6 and the right side of the top number is 4. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. Keep 4 in the answer and 2 on the top of the 2. This looks similar to addition, and that is because 2 or more digits of multiplication needs help from addition in order to get the answer, and subtraction is used in division. We will come to that in the next video. 6 into 2 is equal to 12, and since 2 is on the top, 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Since there is no other, 144 remains, but the answer is not done yet. Go the next line and keep 0 starting from the right side. It is very important. Later, 2 into 4 is equal to 8, then 2 into 2 is equal to 4, and you get 480. Now we should add 144 plus 480 in order to get the answer. So 144 plus 480 is equal to 624. And great, you got the answer. 3 digits. 4583 into 863. This question might look hard, but it is actually easy to solve. The same thing as we solved for the 2 digit, but instead we will have 3 numbers for adding. Okay, let's solve. Write the position and starting from the right side, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. After that, 3 into 8 is equal to 24. Keep 4 in the answer. 2 on the top of 5. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Since 2 is there, 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Keep 7. Put 1 in the top of 4, and then 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Since 1 is there, 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Great! We finished the first group, in which the answer is 13,749. Now let's go to the second group, in which we have to multiply everything on the top by 6. Keep 0 and only 1. Since it is the second one, remember the first one never has a 0 on the right side starting. Starting from the second group, the zeros starts increasing. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Keep 8 in the answer and 1 on the top of 8. After 6 into 8 is equal to 48. Since 1 is there, 48 plus 1 is equal to 49. So keep 9 in the answer and 4 on the top of 5. 6 into 5 is equal to 30. Because of 4, 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. Keep 4 in the answer and 3 on the top of 4. Now 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 3 is there, so 24 plus 3 is equal to 27. And keep both the digits as the answer, since the number 6 has nothing to multiply. And that means we finish the second group, that is 274,980. And now let's solve the final group, in which we have to multiply everything on the top by 8. Keep 2 zeros since the previous one has 1 0. Every time we get new groups, we need to keep adding zeros in order to get the answer. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Keep 4 and 2 on the top of 8. 8 into 8 is equal to 64. 64 plus 2 is equal to 66. Keep 6 in the answer and the left side 6 on the top of 5. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. 40 plus 6 is equal to 46. Keep 6 in the answer and 4 on the top of 4. 8 into 4 is equal to 32. 32 plus 4 is equal to 36. And keep it as exact. You know the reason why. Excellent! We finished the third group as well, which is 3,666,400. And since there is no other left side number near 8, it is now time to add all the groups. 13,749 plus 274,980 plus 3,666,400. So the answer is 3,955,129. Excellent! We solved this problem. and continue the same to the other digits as well, like 4 digits, 5 digits, etc. That's it for multiplication. Hope you enjoyed the video, explanation and animation. Please do subscribe to Essay Solvers with notifications on to be a essay solver. Don't forget to like and comment if you have any doubts regarding about multiplication. Have a nice and wonderful day.